Hello, and welcome to TAG Industries, the tin knocker people. We offer a low-tech line of sheet metal fabrication equipment designed specifically for the small to mid-sized mechanical contractor. We offer everything a contractor would need to fabricate rectangular duct and fittings. Today we are at the Tin Knocker showroom, where we actually fabricate and sell rectangular duct to local mechanical contractors. But the primary purpose of this shop is to improve the Tin Knocker line. How can we get better? Today we are going to focus on the new addition to the line, the Wizard, a 5x10 plasma machine. No feature has been sacrificed, and it is brought to you at an affordable price. TAG Industries will never forget what got us here, and that's our customers and distribution. Let us earn your business and serve all your HVAC machinery needs. For more information, go to tinknocker.com.